This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Daniel Parrish. Amazing opportunity to live 3 blocks from the beach in a new home from award-winning builder. 1-story ranch plan oak model with open floor plan, lots of space and natural light. Upgraded chef's kitchen with granite countertops, custom cabinetry with soft close doors/drawers, walk-in pantry, stainless steel appliances. Premium laminate flooring throughout the downstairs and living spaces, carpet in the large bedrooms with spacious closets, downstairs laundry and linen closet. Primary suite features a huge walk-in closet, luxurious primary bath with dual vanities, granite countertops. Attached 2-car garage. Coastal style living at its very best. 3 blocks to neighborhood beaches, restaurants, boat ramps, marinas, and fishing pier. For more information, review the details below.